Taurus. I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for March 2013. Taurians, we start the month with a part of your chart that is brightly lit up with four planets that has to do with friendship. We have your 11th house that is lit up by four planets. We have Mars, we have Venus, we have Jupiter, and we have the lovely Mercury. Now, all these planets are going to be there from the last few weeks of February till about 20th of March, and the focus is going to be there on networking, on socializing, on group activities. The focus over here is more on the collective power that comes from being with a group. You are going to be looking out, seeking more at group activities. You're going to be seeking people out. Maybe they could be clubs, they could be some societies, they could be hobby clubs, places where you adventure clubs, places where you want to it's been a dream for you to be, say, maybe doing mountaineering, and you have founded like-minded people over there, and it's been your desire, and you get to hang around with that bunch of people, and it's a collective dream that is being manifested, that is being actualized. So a lot of focus over there. Also, this is the house that shows you how to manifest through thought, and this is also largely for the benefit of everybody involved. So the focus is not just going to be on you solely, Taurians. The focus is going to be on a large group of people. How for the collective benefit, it is something that you do or you undertake and you try and you achieve. So a lot of I think excitement and a lot of fun over there with like-minded people. You are also going to be getting a lot of support from here. I think whether it is moving forward on to a particular project which you have been, again, a hobby project, it's not really just have to do with your work, but like I said, it could be realizing a dream, and how it is that a group of people come together to help you realize or manifest their dream. So like I said, maybe you could have dreamt about climbing the Mount Everest, and you have these collective support that is there, people who are sort of willing to come and train with you and go ahead and plan. So there's going to be a lot of motivation or group motivation that is going to be there, and which is going to be benefiting everybody at large. So I think it's a brilliant time also to be um, networking, reaching out to other people, to sharing your ideas, and it's not really a time, Taurians, to be, I think, to be worrying about yourself. Where is it that I fit into this entire scheme of things, or what is the purpose of my life? I think you're going to be sort of moving beyond it. You're going to be looking at a far more larger things, and you're going to be just a sense of belonging at a more holistic, in a more larger space, besides, say, just you yourself. So that's something really nice. Now, moving from this really broad and global platform, from the 20th of March, the four planets move to your 12th house. Now, your 12th house is more of a behind the scenes house. It's a house of introspection, it's a house of meditation, it's a house of retreat. This is a place where you sort of come and rest, and this is a place where you come and take stock of things. How far is it that you have come? Where is it that you want to go ahead? Where is it that you see yourself going? What are your goals, your desires? So you may not be actioning it a lot, and I think in any case, in last few weeks of February and first few weeks of March, I think a lot of networking and socializing has got done. So all that is now being taken care of in the 12th house, wherein a lot of introspection is going to be there. Also, it's a house of compassion, it's a house of spirituality. So for a lot of you, you will be seeking out different ways of meditation, maybe an alternate ways of therapy, of healing. This is something which could attract you a lot. Maybe yoga, maybe another way of you may just benefit from, say, acupuncture or some alternate medicine or therapy. You will be seeking something really different, rather than just going from over the counter and buying something for yourself and saying, okay, fine, I know this will cure it. You will be going much more deeper inside, Taurians. You will be dealing with the root as to where is it that all this is stemming from, and there will be a desire to sort of cure the root. And I think it is wonderful. It's a phenomenal thing to be doing. Also, the 12th house speaks about. Besides introspection and rest, it's a time to serve, and it's also a space of great compassion. So I think a lot of you will be going out of your way to be helping others, and whether it is for those who are less fortunate than you, it could also be that some of you could be reaching out to your friends, maybe somebody who just is going through a bad time and just needs to maybe have a conversation, and uh, you're just investing there with your time. You're just there with that friend. So I think that's again a wonderful thing for you to be doing. And also along with it is, like I said, if you have been thinking about associating, say, with an NGO, or with a society, or um, any cause that you may have thought about, or felt strongly for, this is a time where you will be going out and you will be um, really investing your time. You will be committing to it rather than just thinking about it and saying, okay, maybe every month I can just sort of cut a check and I can put it over there. This is a time where you will want to go and see and get involved, and really try to make a difference, and a lot of compassion as well, and not just compassion towards others. I think it's also a great time where you don't need to be very hard on yourself. How it is that I want, or rather I see myself in life, or why is it that I have not attained an XYZ. So this is a time also for you to be gentle on yourself, nurture your soul, not just physically but also inwardly. You're going to be uh, taking care of yourself. You're going to be kinder to yourself. And if you don't feel like socializing, if you don't feel like going out, if you just want to sort of hang around at home and do nothing much, do that. Don't sort of feel guilty about it and say that, oh no, I need to be um, getting out and doing something really whether exercising excessively or going out and meeting up with friends. So use this time to plan ahead, use this time to take stock of things as to whether there are some changes you're looking at in your life, whether there is a certain, say for example, you have, maybe you want to start something of your own. Try and do some research work about it. Try and see as to where it is that it figures out in the entire scheme of things. Now, Venus also is there, which is lighting up this part of your chart, which really speaks about um, a time or an opportunity to be making choices as far as your relationships are concerned. And Venus is going to be sort of softening things for you. And she's going to be allowing you to again look at relationships, not just for what they are, but then again to be a little bit more softer on them. Not to be sort of look at the ideal picture as to this is how it is that I want in life, and this is how a relationship should be, or this is how a next person should be behaving with me, or my expectations are not being met. So try, or rather I would say that Venus will allow you that softness, or it will lend its softness over there. uh, there is also, since Saturn is there again, and Venus is going to be trining with Saturn, so it brings about a lot of responsibility, it brings about a lot of accountability as far as your own uh, actions or your own part that has to be played in a relationship. So I think you will be, or rather the planets will be allowing you that opportunity to be taking stock of how it is that you are in a relationship, and whether there is enough accountability that you take when you're in a relationship or not. So a lovely month, Taurians. Enjoy the first piece of it is all about socializing, and the second piece, I think it perfectly balances out with the introspection. Have a great March. I'll see you again in April, and thank you so much for watching.